All right, I'm back at the metal shop. I did some concrete work here between the connexes, these shipping containers. So I did the concrete. These are all 40 foot. There's 3 shipping containers here. They're 40 foot long. So on a previous video, which I'll attach in the description, but we did this concrete right here, which is as smooth as glass. And what he's done so far, he's actually cut a hole in the side of this particular shipping container. So it'll have an access into here, and then he's also closed it off over here. So this is going to be kind of the kitchen area for an outdoor patio. Then over here you'll have some more of that extension of the kitchen out here, and then of course there'll be a roof on here that'll be corrugated steel. And you get a look at, this is kind of the idea of that. That's uncompleted over there, but this is just about completed here. So I did this concrete as well, which is holding up really well. No cracks in it. And you can see that this connex really got spacious now by enclosing the area in between them. And since he's extended the height of the roof, you know, you can get a nice RV in here for storage, or just whatever you want to use it for, really. Just a lot more space now that has some shade to it. Doors are an option on something like this. That could be done too. I don't think you'll be putting any doors on this at all, so these will just be left open. All right, we've just arrived back on the metal shop build. Maestro, ¿qué pasó?
No.
This is muy chingón, huh? Jeez, look at this. Got 45 here. Got everyone here. Yeah, this thing, this is...
Nada.
Solid.
Nada.
No, it's not moving. I gotta go check the rest. Oh yeah, I got the 45s everywhere. Wow, look at that. Oh, it's got a nice cool breeze going through here. Wow, that's nice. See, that's what the wind does out here. So that's why you gotta build it like this. All right, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions concerning your future project or ongoing project, get me on consultation through my website at Odell Complete Concrete. Thank you. Bye.